kind of wanted to show you is oftentimes in our own projects too, we have cases where we have connections, component connections we want to make between the posts and the stringers. And the railing component will not make them, it's not included in the railing component. It doesn't make connections to anything. It just creates the railings themselves. But if we want to add, like in this case, a base plate for this project, we have a base plate. We can use the US base plate 71. Works well for this project here. And let's see, we'll take a look. We'll have say a 3/8 thick base plate, aluminum material, and stiffeners in the beams or stringers, and 1 column of bolts on there. Probably not the right bolt standard for aluminum, but we'll just, for our purposes, it'll work. So we'll just create this base connection between the stringers and the posts. And everything looks nice. So what happens now when field dimensions or design changes come along? Well, because of the way we designed the plugin, it plays very nicely with these kind of connections and components that are added afterward. So we'll just do a move linear on this. So we're going to update the stair and make this rise 1 inch smaller, and we'll move it the bottom of the stair up so that it's calculated and redesigned, which causes the railing to update to accommodate the new configuration, which actually lost a tread. So the railing updates and stays in there, and the base connections to the post to the stringer still work great. So that's kind of a nice feature. And then if the railing, for example, if there's a design change and we got to move a post or something like that, around a 5.5, let's say if we make it 9 inches and do a modify. So that bottom post is going to move up the stringer, and we see it's the base connections, everything still come right along with it. Nothing changed, got lost or broke.